Good morning, my friends. Mr. Vic today came to see a classic car show and a motorcycle as well. This is not big, but I reckon I will find something special. I'm here in Evesham, in a small town called Hampton. It's free. This classic cars and motorcycle is free, and that's why I want to be here. This is not huge, but I reckon there's a lot of quality. I can't wait to go and see what cars and motorcycles they have here. Let's go. cool. I'm glad they still make them now. I do like motorcycles. And there it is, perhaps there's some clubs here. Some they are new, that is a Honda Goldwing, guys. This is stunning. I think this is 1984, maybe 98. Oh, that has got even a sidecar. What a surprise. What do we got here? Big fan of the, oh, this is a Suzuki TL1000. Pretty cool, so rare. I tell you what, these motorcycles, they are very cheap. We got here a Honda CB 754, pretty cool, and we got a Honda Monkey. This club actually is one of the biggest clubs in the world. Isn't this DeLorean awesome and beautiful? You know, every time I see it, does remind me the movie Back to the Future 1 to 3, but this is still a cool car, right? Actually, they are saying they're gonna start to make the new DeLorean, and you do need to be a member of the club to purchase the car. This is stunning. There's another rarity here, the Ford Escort Mexico. This is a limited edition, actually, they did. How beautiful is this Vauxhall? I love classic cars, by the way. Wow, what is that, the Ford Granada? Yeah, that's it. It's for sale. Oh my goodness, what a beauty. He wants almost $5 grand. I do appreciate to come to free car shows or classic car shows like this one, for example. For sure, wherever you live, you'll find something like this. Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark II. A Morgan three-wheeler, big fan of this car. Really beautiful. I'm really surprised. This place actually is quite small, but for me to give you an idea how small is this one. But I'm very surprised. Look at the amount of cars. How cool is this small car? Sprite or Sprite maybe, pretty cool. But there's another amazing car. We got here the Porsche 911, perhaps from the 70s. This is so cool. This is a hot rod. I think it's a Ford. How tiny are those wipers, guys? That, are you kidding me? This American car's got a big presence. I would say 7 meters long, and is beautiful and big. But actually, this is a very small car. Isetta, this is so cool. This reminds me the BMW, because I know the BMWs, they did do a small car. How about to finish the car by a Ferrari 288 GTO? Did you know they made just 272 of them? This is pretty cool. Some cars, they never get old. This is a good example of this Ferrari 288 GTO. Isn't really stunning. And I'm going to say a goodbye to this Rolls-Royce Classic that it cost a lot of money, almost £1 million. No, that is awesome. You see, I haven't paid a penny, and I have seen the most amazing cars here in a classic motorcycle show. Let me to tell you, I'm in love with so many of the cars. They are exposed here, and I had a wonderful time. The weather did hold. It was supposed to rain. It never came. Guys, if there's a free car show, please go and see it, because you never know what type of cars you're going to see it. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for watching. You are all awesome. I'll see you on the next one.